Come on down to the dawn of the world. Let's take that path through the atmosphere and give 4,000 answers to all of your questions, and maybe it will all become clear.
What is going on out here?
God. God. No. God. Monster.
But I think that's one. Honestly.
No, it's me. No. No.
Honestly, I think he's one monster that would never die.
He's killing me. Monster. Go away, monster.
He's stuck. Quick, get him, he's stuck. Huh?
Okay. I better go now.
Before it starts raining even more.
Yeah. Oh, it's coming.
Oh, open the front door and find out.
Nee, Noah.
Noah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come, Noah. And his mum goes out to dinner tonight with some friends, Pauline and John, I think he said it was. But yeah, so I think he's going over to pick up some money or something, then we can order some food. Yeah. Yeah, just been doing something. I just did a bit of dusting this morning, hoovered, and got the third lot of washing in, which is the end of the washing. Well, apart from a duvet, but it's the end of the washing. And the dishwasher has been on, God knows what. Now I'm just writing cards to my lovely family, because my gran sent me a nice card. She filled the whole thing with words. Yeah, she loves to write. Bless her little heart. Yeah, and obviously, write one to my dad as well. So yeah, sending some pictures of. I'm sending one of me and one of Noah to each of them. Yeah. So yeah. Also got some lovely bracelets last night from my friend Jacqueline. There you go. The jingle. Yeah. Yeah, Jack and John went to Turkey for about a week, I think it was, or a few days. Yeah. She got me those. And it's kind of ironic really, because they were out there and it was lovely, gorgeous in the photos. And look what they've come back to. Sodding rain. See, it's raining because it's all wet down there. She too wet down there. Sodding rain. You're not going out there, it's raining. But yeah. So yeah, just finished writing my cards, I guess. Oh, that tasted disgusting. Seriously, why the F-U-C-K do they not make envelopes that taste like strawberries? God damn. Oh, that tastes disgusting. I tried to get him to lick it because he loves to lick everything. But no, he just looked away and nicked his parts. So I'm gonna need a drink that tastes disgusting. Oh. Sorry, I need to go.
And the thing's all good. Yeah, I'm looking so high because I want to be wet. Because it's raining again. Dutch songs. God, it's not England. I bet it rains more in England. Yeah. But I want something warm. It's horrible. Getting wet. God. I think even the camera gets wet. Too wet. And oh my God. And here's me happy. I finally got the wireless internet working on this laptop. Well, sort of. Well, it works wireless. Because for some reason, everything in the house here is connected to my wireless hub or router in the living room. But this computer, through the Wi-Fi, wasn't able to. Well, it was able to connect to it, but the internet didn't work, and that was the only machine that didn't work. So now I have a USB dongle, or whatever. No, not quite dongle, but a USB drive that's connected to the router. So now I finally have wireless internet, and now see if this works. It's the camera, and now it should say hello. Come on. Oh, why does she have that kind of stuff? Why is that? Yeah, there it goes. And see magic happen. And of course it's too dark. Let's put the ISO to max. Yeah, there it is. Oh yeah. Can I change? Look. Yep. Now. Oh, no, take a picture. Why doesn't autofocus? Or it's on auto. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Sharp, it's good. Microwave. Awesome. Still need to fix that autofocus now. It's all good. Balance is good. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna fix this.
Come on down to the dawn of the world. Let's take that path through the atmosphere and give 4,000 answers to all of your questions, and maybe it will all become clear.